Ryan Walter from Diversey, and it's time for your 2-minute drill. You know what really stinks? And it's nothing here in the bathroom. It's not having the budget or the time to replace old worn floors. Well, Diversey and Bona have a perfect solution for you, and that's the Bona Resilient Floor Program. So what we're going to do here today is we are going to turn this floor into almost a brand new floor with this process. So you can see this floor has a lot of wear and tear to it. And even when we look inside this restroom here, you can see it's really tore up, beat up, and time for some help. So what we're going to do is we are going to do the Bona Resilient process, which is basically cleaning the floor thoroughly. And if there was finish on the floor, we'd be stripping that off. Then we're going to braid the floor, followed by a coat of color and some chips, and then 2 clear coats for protective wear layer. So check it out, and we'll show you the results here in just a short bit. So we just finished the Bona Resilient program on this epoxy floor in this restroom, and wow, what difference it has made. So I would encourage you to reach out to your Diversey representative to learn more about the Bona Resilient program and to inquire about a demo in your facility. Thanks for tuning in this week. Contact our technical support hotline if you need further information or if you have any other questions.